This motion graphic bar chart shows 5 years of monthly consumption for our needleless connector usage with our central venous access devices. In 2014, we were averaging 9,200 needleless connectors per month, or about 110,000 per year. By 2015, we had dramatically improved and reduced usage by 41% to 5,450 needleless connectors per month. In 2016 to 2019, we have sustained this lower number of connectors used. These improvements through present have saved around 66,100 connectors per year, or nearly 330,500 connectors since 2015.